Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'd like to discuss a topic that is often overlooked yet critically important: how infrastructure and maintenance are key factors behind bus accidents, and what can be done to improve public transportation safety. Imagine a city with aging roads, riddled with potholes and uneven surfaces. In many urban areas, these poor road conditions are not just minor inconveniences, they're real hazards. When a bus travels on such roads, the risk of tire blowouts, suspension failures, or even loss of control increases dramatically. For instance, in a US city struggling with budget constraints, neglected road repairs have led to incidents where buses have swerved violently after encountering deep potholes. These events are a clear example of how deteriorating infrastructure directly endangers lives. But roads are only part of the equation. Let's also consider the supporting infrastructure: bridges, overpasses, and even bus stops. Aging bridges, for example, can transmit excessive vibrations to buses, accelerating wear and tear on critical mechanical parts. In one case, a bus crossing an old bridge experienced severe vibrations, which eventually contributed to a suspension failure. In contrast, some European cities have successfully retrofitted historical infrastructures, using modern engineering techniques to enhance safety without compromising heritage. These comparisons show us that proactive investments in infrastructure can make a substantial difference. Maintenance practices for buses themselves are equally vital. Modern buses are engineered with advanced safety features, yet these benefits are nullified if the vehicles are not properly maintained. Inadequate maintenance can lead to failures, such as worn-out brakes or faulty engines, that might cause a serious accident. A case in a major urban center revealed that a bus missing its scheduled maintenance suffered a brake failure on a steep road, leading to a collision. This incident emphasizes that regular, high-quality maintenance is as critical as the condition of the roads. Data consistently supports that regions investing in proactive maintenance and infrastructure improvements report fewer accidents. Cities that have adopted comprehensive road repair programs and strict vehicle maintenance protocols see significantly lower accident rates. Moreover, government initiatives, whether in the United States or Europe, have shown that targeted funding and public-private partnerships can transform public transportation safety. To sum up, poor road conditions, aging infrastructure, and insufficient bus maintenance are interlinked factors that contribute significantly to bus accidents. Addressing these issues requires not only increased investment, but also standardized maintenance protocols and innovative solutions like real-time monitoring systems. When governments, transportation agencies, and private companies work together, we pave the way for safer, more reliable public transit systems. Thank you for your attention. I hope this discussion has shed light on the critical role of infrastructure and maintenance in ensuring bus safety and encouraged you to support efforts that prioritize these vital improvements.